Interactive Brokers Mobile App Review. The Interactive Brokers (IBKR) mobile app is renowned for its comprehensive features tailored to active traders and investors. It offers real-time quotes, advanced charting tools, and a wide array of order types, ensuring users can manage their investments effectively on the go. The app supports trading across various asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, and forex, providing flexibility for diverse trading strategies. Additionally, users can access global markets, making it a versatile tool for international trading. However, some users have reported challenges with the app's user interface, describing it as complex and not particularly intuitive, which may require a learning curve for new users. There have also been instances of delayed market data updates, which can impact timely decision-making. Furthermore, certain functionalities, such as setting up dividend reinvestment plans (DRIP) for individual holdings, are missing from the app, necessitating the use of the desktop platform for complete account management. As for the pros, it has a comprehensive trading tools, which offers real-time quotes, advanced charting, and a wide range of order types, making it ideal for active traders. Also a global market access, which supports trading across stocks, options, futures, forex, and more in multiple international markets. Lastly is the low-cost trading, that known for competitive commissions and margin rates, appealing to cost-conscious investors. While for the cons, it has a complex user interface, means the app can be difficult to navigate, especially for beginners, due to its advanced features and layout. As well as occasional data delays, which some users report that market data updates can lag, which may affect fast-paced trading decisions. And lastly is limited account management features, or certain functions, such as setting up dividend reinvestment plans (DRIP), require the desktop platform instead of being fully available on mobile. In summary, while the IBKR mobile app is a powerful tool offering extensive features for active traders, it may present usability challenges for those less experienced or unfamiliar with its interface. And so that's it. I hope this been helpful to you by any chance. Please like and subscribe. Also feel free to comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it then. See you again in the next video.